Hello everyone. In this video, let's see about latest privacy policies of WhatsApp and WhatsApp safety issues. There are many rumors about safety of WhatsApp, whether it is safe to use or not. When coming to the content that is shared in WhatsApp, it's all in encrypted form. So WhatsApp itself cannot read the messages or the content that is shared in WhatsApp. Now let's see the privacy policies that are recently updated by WhatsApp related to the messages. Delivered messages in WhatsApp will not be stored in WhatsApp services. Then when the messages will be stored in WhatsApp servers. If the recipient is offline and message cannot be delivered, then that message will be saved for 30 days. If the message is still undelivered after 30 days, then that message will be deleted. When a user forwards media within a content, then that media will be stored in WhatsApp services that in encrypted form. All the messages or calls and the media that we share in WhatsApp will be stored or shared in encrypted form only. So even WhatsApp or Facebook or any other third service providers cannot read the messages or calls that we make using WhatsApp. Now what information WhatsApp will collect from us? WhatsApp will collect about the user when registered to their services, payments or business features, profile photo, about information, group picture and group name, interaction of you with others using their services, which includes time, frequency and duration of your activities and interactions, and last seen status. All this will be collected by the WhatsApp. And it also collects the information related to the model type, operating system information, battery level, signal strength, app version, browser information, mobile network connection, including mobile operator and phone number, and also language and time zone, IP address, device operations information. All this will be collected by the WhatsApp when installed and used their services. It also collects the location information when a user provides access to it. If the location services are not used, then WhatsApp will collect information from IP address and phone number, area codes in order to estimate one's general location. Information provided by others about you. If other users use WhatsApp services, then information about you like mobile number and your name will be provided to the WhatsApp. In general, any user can capture screenshots of your chat or messages or can make any recording of your call and then share that recording or the screenshots of messages or chat with WhatsApp or any others, or they can be shared in any other platform. Now coming to third-party service providers. WhatsApp works with third-party service providers and other Facebook companies. When a user uses a data backup services like iCloud or Google Drive, then that services will receive your information like messages or the chats that you share in WhatsApp. As of now, as mentioned in latest privacy policies, there will be no third-party banner ads in WhatsApp. If they do so, then they will update that information in privacy policies. As mentioned earlier, all the messages, calls and chats and attachments that we share in WhatsApp will be in encrypted form and will not be revealed to anyone. All the updates mentioned by WhatsApp has been mentioned clearly in this video. If you have any further doubts or regarding to safety, it's up to you whether you should install WhatsApp or not. It's up to you. not only WhatsApp, most of the apps does not guarantee 100% safety to anyone. I hope you like the video.